This is me trying a recipe that I made. I made this recipe and it's honestly pretty good. And thank you to Sports something for subscribing, and also thank you for our other couple subscribers. Right here in Michiana is where we live. Military. So look at all of this. Oh, so let's get back to trying my recipe. There is a low battery sign. It's good. It's really good. I gotta get to the bugger. Thank you for get focused on that. Wait, what if I got a crazy idea. Yeah, I have true power in my hands. I'll do a house tour. We got new soap. Military. And guess what? How